This is Hayden Call for the week 6 interview question about describing a recursive function that accepts a binary tree and determines if it is a binary search tree. A simple way to go about identifying that would be to set up a recursive function that would verify if all the values in the left subtree are smaller than the node and all the values in the right subtree are larger than the node. Um, a simple base case for that would be to ask if the node is null or the root is null, it would return that it is true and that it is a valid binary search tree. Otherwise, the function would identify is whatever node I'm looking at. Is it within those parameters as far as if it is on the right side of the tree? Is it equal to or greater than the root plus one? If it's on the left side, is it equal then or greater to the root minus one? As establishing a minimum and a maximum for how large those can be. We would then, with recursion, be able to say, okay, so if I'm working on the left, I know that my maximum size in that case is the node minus one. And I would compare that individual node's value and say, is that um, equal to or less than the root minus one? And if I could confirm that, it would return that it is true and it was a valid binary search tree. Otherwise, it would return false. You do the same thing calling for the right subtree with recursion. To get that information, in that case, you would just say, is it equal then or greater to root plus one as the minimum size for the right tree? And so that is just a simple way to see if a binary search tree is binary, a binary tree is binary search tree, and how you could work that out with a base case and the functionality being recursive. Thank you.